Hey everybody, it's Roland Brown. I'm here from Key Leaves and we're at the Selmer booth. I'm going to turn this so you can see the amazing Selmer, Conn-Selmer booth. We're here. Look at all these horns, man. Yanagisawas, Selmers, all kinds of finishes. Oh man. And then, wait, who's that? Who's that? That's Gustavo Bulgach. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, look what I got!
It's Gustavo is a Selmer artist. He's a clarinetist and sax player. He plays with klezmer juice.
All of the above.
All of the above.
You want your horn to last? This is the way you store it in between gigs. You see how it opens? And it opens the G sharp and it opens the E flat. So the keys, the pads last longer, way longer.
Well, you know what? It doesn't just open the C sharp. It opens the G sharp
G
too,
sharp
right?
And E flat, yeah.
Yeah.
Really good stuff. Then you got one other protector for up here. We're gonna show it to you later. It's a big surprise. And Roland promised me to make one for clarinet. So next year I hope we're gonna have one for clarinet.
We're working on it. We're working on
it.
it.
For the time being.
Yeah.
Key Leaves.
Yeah. Check out Gustavo Bulgach. Great player.
Hey.
Oh, hey, look.
Hey. Key Leaves. Super cool. We like them.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Whatever you do, check out the Selmer booth at NAMM.
Yes.
They make some of the finest horns in the world, and they have new finishes this year. I mean, we're looking at the Jubilee Edition, right?
Look how beautiful it looks.
I know, right?